Hello everyone, I'm KP from Farmo, and today video I will show you how to replace the battery for your people counter from Farmo. And this is our product, the people counters. And to replace the battery, you need a new battery, the highlighter, and the screwdriver. And first of all, just take out all the screw here from the people counter. There's 6 holes right there. Yeah, and just take out on the screw. And put them on the side. And when you open the people counter, just please remember the inside is the two parts is still connected. So just slightly open it. And this is the inside of the people counter. So this is the battery. And to replace this one, you need to take this one out. Yeah. And remember to mark on the old battery. And just unplug the cables here. And put the old one on the side. And when you put the new battery in, just please remember to put it in the original position. So, and plug the cable in. And when you put it back to the original position, remember, don't let the battery like above of the antennas here, the antenna on top, just put it below the antenna. And then just put 2 white part back. And just put on the screw to 6 holes. Yep. And when you screw it back, just when you feel it tight enough, and just release it. And please don't overscrew it, otherwise we'll break the inside part of the people counter. And so this is the end of the video to show you how to replace the battery for your people counter from Farmo. And thank you for watching my video.